Hi everyone, it's Anna with Pink Monarch Prints, and I'm here with a fun freebie. We had such a fun response for these flip out envelopes. Let me show you how they work. They just flip out and then you have some goodies inside, some interactive tags and things, and they all have a slightly different variation. But I thought that was so much fun and everybody enjoyed it, so I thought I would put out one for our Friday freebie. So I went ahead and got this all ready so that those who aren't familiar with it can watch the video and make their own fun little flip out envelope. So I will link that below. This actually corresponds with the February kit. So if you have that, then you can just put it with it and have some extra fun with it there. I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little more. There we go. And let's get making. So I printed everything on a lightweight cardstock. I printed a neutral on the back, so you can print any neutral you have on the back. And I went ahead and inked and cut everything out. This is a very lightweight cardstock. It's like 110. It's pretty. I'll kind of show you how that bends. So it holds its own, but it's not super thick. I think that's everything. All right, so we have our little flip out made. So you can arrange this so it'll flip up this direction, or you can put it at the bottom of your journal and it flips down, flips open this way. That's the way I like it. So any way you want. Now there are a lot of little goodies that you can put in this. So let's just play. I wanted to add some lace onto this one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You do not have to do anything the way I do it. This is just an idea, so you can kind of see how it could come together in a journal. It could be really fun to add a stamp on here. Let's see if I have like a long skinny number. That would be fun. Let's do it. I'm gonna grab my black ink. I'm not even gonna worry about putting it on my acrylic block. Just gonna pop it on there. Just for fun. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I like that on there. And put that away. All right, so this will be kind of the front of the envelope, what we would see. I put a good amount of glue because that's going right onto that lace. So it'll need a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that over. All right, let's see. This one I have a belly band tag. So we have this piece here that's gonna be a belly band for this tag. Let's go ahead and put that down. Good amount of glue because this is going to be holding papers in, but I don't want to come very far in. I want to leave room for things to go underneath that belly band. Let me get that up here for you to see a little better. And then we have to decide if we want like a little hole, which would be fun. You can add a little thing right here. That would be cute. I'm going to go ahead and glue directly on my band so I know that I'm not going to get it in the way of the papers going in and out. I like that. That was serendipitous. So I'm just using the different elements that I have in here to accentuate different features of this. These are just a couple of little journaling cards that you can put behind your belly band. And I folded this little piece in half, teeny guy. Whoop. And I'm going to use that as a tab to go over the top of this tag. Ugh, that is not centered. Let's try again. I think that's a little better. And I'm going to go ahead and put an eyelet in here. There is, you will notice, I'll show you on here, there is a little gusset fold. If you wanted, you could fold this and it would actually give you more room inside your envelope if you want to put something that's going to be pretty big. I don't think one eyelet will cause a problem, so I'm going to go ahead and just not worry about folding that gusset. You can do it either way. But I did make room for it because I thought that might be nice in case. All right, I just realized. Oh, good. Whew. I was worried that was sticking up too high for my fold, but that'll be just fine. So there's one of our tags. I have this circle thing, and I love that. I love when I can make it look like faux postage. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here. We have a lot of little bits in this freebie, so have some fun. I like that. Kind of a different way to use this, but I think it's really beautiful. So this will go in our envelope as well. Oh, guys, there's too many cute pieces. Let me see. I'll get them in here so you can see what else there is. I guess I could put... Oh, I know what to do. I want this number here. Or do I want this here? I like that because it doesn't cover as much of the bird. Ooh. Come on back. I'm going to come right up next to the edge of that paper, and then I'll put this on the envelope with the postage symbol because it'll be like, rush the letter. I'm a nerd. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to, no, I don't think that fits the style. Come on. That's kind of cool. And different. It'll go in there. I kind of like it. Or do I like this one better? Or, oh, that's my favorite. It's gonna have to be folded though. I like that because it'll highlight the, it's the same print as the back of the envelope, so that'll be fun. And of course, you can add other things anywhere you might like. I think we have enough. We have enough. I don't have to use every bit. I have to remind myself. But there you have it. Ooh, this guy could use something. I haven't put anything on here yet. Oh, I'm gonna put the number. One more, right? And I'm gonna cover the lines because it kind of just gives it that three-dimensional look. So there's a little tag. All right, and that is it. Now you have your little flip out pocket. We'll put these into our pocket here, our pocket envelope. And then that'll be in your journal. In any page, you can glue it down, and then it will flip open, and you'll be able to get in and get out your cute little cards. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this freebie. I hope you like the style. I can go ahead and link these other ones as well if you're interested, but no worries. It's just for fun, and I hope you enjoy this idea and give it a shot. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.